In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on Steam back to English. If your Steam interface accidentally switched to another language or you're using a shared computer, this quick walkthrough will get everything back to English in just a minute or two. Start by launching the Steam application on your computer and make sure you're logged in. If you're not signed in yet, log in first so the settings can be saved to your account and applied correctly. Once Steam is open, look to the very top left of the window for the Steam menu. On Windows and Linux, it's the first word in the menu bar. On a Mac, you'll find similar options under the application name in the menu bar at the top of the screen. Click that menu and choose Settings. On a Mac, this option is labeled Preferences, but it takes you to the same place. When the Settings window opens, you'll see a list of categories on the left. Click Interface. This is where Steam controls its overall look and language. On the right, find the drop-down labeled Select the language you wish Steam to use. Even if your interface is currently in another language, the position of this drop-down is the same, and the list of languages is easy to recognize. Open the drop-down, scroll if needed, and choose English. After selecting English, click OK to confirm. Steam will immediately prompt you to restart so it can apply the language change across the app. Click Restart Steam. The client will close and reopen. If you had any downloads in progress, don't worry, Steam will automatically resume them after it restarts. When the app loads back up, the interface, menus, and settings should now appear in English. That's it, simple and fast. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.